Kasanya Athens College hak arpentri tarik rampang arja rapusam kalau pelong jaga awareness program pan persekutu halor jingdi pen white drugs berkenja bat ia kan ya program la pelong haka auditorium jangka Saint Anthony's College Shillong haka ya program la wan ban aji kai da Dr. Laja Ram Bisnoy ubade UDGP haka jingdon rangkat uba Vivek Sim ubade USPCT ka is kasihil Vice Principal ka Saint Anthony's College Father Joby Joseph kinung hikai bagi kena pula jangka Saint Anthony's College Shillong hap ajing hikai syagi sambla pule UDGP ulong ba banyo yang jing hikai ke jing pensai ne komgi awareness program nak benta ke imlang salang kalong ke tenkam sibun nang ta chusu ulong bangi dei manlong barabor ke koloi mangkeli kino jing keli ke bangi don hadin ke jing ajing hikai na UDGP na kaliang ki sambla kenthe na ka kanhun jangka SF10 kalapan i yagi kena pule ya ke jing kelan met ka jongki bat kanne karkom kilan met ki pelit SF10 kalong ke bitenat buat ke bekering ya ki wepat
prey to drugs. Not only the male population, but recently the trend is many young girls, they started taking drugs. So this is the cause of concern for all of us. I will show the few slides, but mainly I have come here to interact with the students. Please feel free to ask any kind of questions. We will try our best to clarify your doubts. Secondly, you should not be under impression that if we are not taking drugs, if no drug abuser is there in our family, so we should not worry. Even if your neighborhood, if any youngster is taking drugs, you should be equally concerned because this is more dangerous than corona. It can spread like anything. Tomorrow your neighbor is in the drugs problem. After some days, it may come to our family. So Meghalaya is a very, very sensitive state. You should keep it in mind that Meghalaya, although very small state, yet it is seriously in the grip of drug abuse. And why it is sensitive? The reasons are, first, its close proximity to Golden Triangle. You might have heard about the Golden Triangle. Yeah. So this is basically a bordering area of Laos, Myanmar and Thailand. It's a huge area, nearly 9 lakh square kilometers, where the opium cultivation is done. And out of opium, after processing in the improvised factory set up in the jungle area, they prepare the heroin, morphine and other drugs. And after that, those drugs are transported to India through Myanmar borders. First it comes to Mizoram, Manipur, and other one route is from Manipur to Mizoram, Badak Valley of Assam, Meghalaya, Guwahati, and then it goes to other states of India. The second route is From Manipur it goes to Dimapur, and after that it enters into Lhasa. So these are the various routes. So Meghalaya is sensitive because Myanmar is not far away from the Meghalaya. The drug traffickers can easily transport the drugs. Secondly, why Meghalaya is sensitive? Because it has post border with Bangladesh. We have nearly 440 kilometer border with Bangladesh. And Bangladesh border is sensitive from drug trafficking point of view. We have also nearly 850 kilometer borders with the state of Assam, and Assam is also equally facing these problems. A large number of consumers are there in the Shillong city and the adjacent area. The male population to female population, and from urban population to rural population, this menace is spreading like a wildfire. It's a very, very lucrative business because it generates huge money, and at some stage of trafficking, the greed overpowers